I love chocolate. I don't know anybody that doesn't like chocolate. Dogs love it too, but if you give in and sneak them a piece, you may be causing more harm than you realize. Chocolate can make dogs quite sick, and in large enough quantities can actually be fatal. Now, we all know that chocolate makes us feel good. Part of that lift comes from sugar, some from caffeine, but there's a powerful stimulant called theobromine, which affects dogs' neurological systems dramatically. If your dog gets too much chocolate, you might see symptoms like restlessness, vomiting, staggering, tremors, even seizures. Imagine IVing espresso, and that's what's happening to your dog, only it's 10 times worse. How much is too much? Just remember this. 10-4, good buddy. 4 ounces of chocolate can be toxic to a 10-pound dog. Call your veterinarian if you have any questions. Show your dog how much you love him. Eat all the chocolate yourself. I'm Dr. Eric, Pet Vet.